Hello friends, welcome back my channel. Now I am going to show how to delete Facebook page. First of all, you log in your Facebook account. Here I already log in. You can see. Then go to your Facebook page. Which page you want to delete? I want to delete this page. Then go to setting and click and go to scroll down. Then you can see delete your page. Then click here. Then delete again and give one notification. Then click delete. After that, then one last notification. You can cancel this deletion within 14 days. Now your page in progress to delete. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.